Global.
What it do? 6'7".
Yes,
So,
sir.
hell yeah, we got a lot to talk about, bro. We got a lot to talk about. You know what I'm saying? Shit, you done toured. You lived in Miami for a little bit. You been in Cali. Been all over the country. You know what I'm saying? Like, first of all, like, where's your favorite place besides being in Arlington?
Man, I like Miami. I ain't gonna lie. I like LA too. That shit expensive, but I like Miami. Miami where it's at.
Okay.
Shit,
Now, shit, you know what I'm saying, bro? We see everybody wants a fucking 6'7" beat right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody wants 6'7" type beat, Splurge type beat, beat by Jeff type beat. Like, you want to talk about like the sound? Like, how y'all come up with that sound? Like where the sound come from?
Shit, really, I don't know how Jeff and Splurge came up with that shit, but me and Splurge, we came up with that shit in accident.
Yeah.
I'm making the beat for that nigga, he like, man, that's enough right there. Don't put nothing else on that shit. Just built it from there.
Yeah. Now, shit, like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, do you feel like, how many rappers hit you up asking you for beats these days?
All of them.
From like the little niggas to the main niggas.
All of them.
Damn.
I'm fucking with everybody right now.
Yeah, already. Now, shit, I mean, a little bit off camera, we was talking like niggas saying that y'all ran off with the DMV type sound. Like, where you think that come from?
I don't know, I heard it a couple times, man. I'm gonna keep it funky. I ain't gonna lie, like, my young nigga rap kinda like Hoodrich, like just as far as the punchier style, shit like that, but he turned that shit and made it his though. It's definitely a Splurge style now. It's not that no more. But yeah, the DMV, them niggas got the same sound as us pretty much, man. They all in the same way. I fuck with rich shooters up there with my niggas too, man.
Yeah. Now you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like at the beginning, Splurge, like the Hoodrich Pablo Juan flow was like a comparison, but now I feel like he really got his own lane, and you really see that now with the Glen Baby 2 project. Like, you see the lane now.
Splurge and the HOB.
Yeah, nah, for sure. Now, do you feel like could you say that they kind of like see how Splurge taking off with it, and they kind of like, it's like, you know what I'm saying, like they kind of, the formula switched a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Do you feel like they trying to lean towards y'all formula now, like with the type beats? Because the type beats was different, I ain't gonna lie. It was different flow, different type beats. Now it's like the beats is a little bit more simpler, you know what I'm saying?
Trying to keep up. Shit, man, that shit just come out of nowhere. That shit just come. We got about 80 unreleased songs right now. We're trying to figure out what we want to drop. What new sound we want to make for motherfuckers to copy.
Yeah. Shit, can we expect like a beat tape from you with like artists or what?
Beat tape, nah, but like I guess a compilation. Like
Yeah.
6, 7 on the beat tape, yeah. Like all these unreleased songs I got, I'm gonna put them together and make something.
Already. Hey, shit. Hey, tell us a little bit about that No Broke Smoke shit, man.
Man, yeah, man. Smoke gas on and no broke smoke, man. So that's a lot of niggas be smoking, and they think they smoking rapidly, but they really smoking mid. Your zip gonna cost like $350, $400 and above. You're not smoking no broke smoke.
All right, bro. Shit. All right, man. Can we expect like some merch from you coming soon?
Yeah, as soon as I hit 10,000 followers, I got hoodies, headbands, all that shit coming out. Y'all fuck with me, man. Get my shit. I need like 100 more, man, for playing with me.
All right, man. Like, who we sleeping on right now, bro? Who is the artist that we sleep on that you working with right now?
Man, I don't even want to bust them out the bag, but I don't care what do it. Y'all just watch out for Waller Cobain, man.
Okay.
Watch out for goddamn Baby Youngin.
Baby Young, you fucking with Baby Youngin?
Baby Youngin.
Already. I fuck with Baby Youngin. Shout out Baby Youngin.
Waller Cobain, man. They next up, man.
Already. Shit, now, you know what I'm saying? For people who don't know, bro, where you from?
East Arlington.
Okay.
Marco Sherry.
All right, now what you think about the Arlington rap scene right now?
Just the whole DFW rap scene was really good, man. 2 years ago, nobody even knew he was here, bro.
Yeah.
Now everybody trying to rap like this, so I feel good, bro.
Already. 2020, what can we look for from you?
2020 look for me to switch it all the way up, man. I'm still gonna do the hard shit. I'm gonna switch it. I'm gonna cross over and do some industry shit too, though.
Already.
Like, you know, I can do it all. I just, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Now, what's your biggest placement that you got so far, and what's your favorite placement that you got?
Shit, probably the biggest one probably gonna be that Kevin Gates right now. I got two with Gucci, but that Kevin Gates going stupid.
Okay.
And my favorite one probably gonna be like one of them 10K joints, man. That nigga, they're funny, man.
Already.
Just how he come up with shit.
Already, man. Now, shit. This is gonna be like my last question, bro. Like for upcoming producers that watch you and just like try to follow the sauce, what advice can you give them, like, in this game?
Shit, just stay down. Niggas ain't gonna fuck with you at first, for real. You just gotta stay down.
Already.
Nigga dog got his day, for real.
Already. Now, shit, producers copying you. You know what I'm saying? You got anything you want?
Man. What's up? Just keep up.
Already.
Just keep up.